Hey everyone, my name is Parth and I'm the founder of Neobloc. Today I'd like to showcase how you can turn your lecture slides, question banks, and notes into flashcards and quizzes. After you've signed up, go ahead and click on New Resource on the dashboard. Here, you can select to make your study resources manually or with Neobloc, whatever you prefer. I'm going to pick the easier way. And on this page, you can pick the type of resource you want to create. There's options to create flashcards, multiple choice quizzes, and more. For now, let's stick with flashcards. From here, you have the ability to create your flashcards by inputting some text or by uploading a PDF. I'm going to choose PDF and upload some learning outcomes that my professor gave me. I can also choose the amount of cards I want to create, but let's keep things simple and make 10 for now. While I wait, I can choose to play this cute little minigame. I'm not great at it, so I won't embarrass myself right now. Additionally, you can also chat with Neo if you have any questions, start a Pomodoro timer, or make some tasks for your to-do list. Once the cards are generated, we can go ahead and click to view them. You can either choose to do them inside of Neobloc, which will save your progress automatically, or you can export them to Enki if that's what you prefer. There's also options to edit the deck after you've made it in case you'd like to paste any pictures in, or add more flashcards either manually or with Neobloc again. So that pretty much sums up this demo. If you guys have any questions or feedback, I'd love to hear it. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day.